good morning, afternoon, evening. The reason you're watching this video because I'm going to host a 3D modeling workshop, represent B3D online, and this workshop is totally free. But before you join, I need to watch this, understand how the process works. Then you have ideas. Otherwise, you're coming and wasting time. I don't want to waste your time and others' time. And this video, I hope you just speed up without any skipping any of this video. Speed up is a very useful feature in YouTube. You can use this feature to speed up my speech. I will purposely speak slow because some people might not understand what I'm talking about. Okay. So who am I? Am I able to teach you how to make 3D models? My 3D printing journey is since 2014. If you already know me, I believe who register is seeing my page in Facebook or somewhere in the group. And there's a 6 years of experience using 3D printing and 3D modeling software. I'm a self-taught engineer, which means I'm not graduate from any program education, not in any coding and education. We just learn by myself and take 1,000 of hours on instruction forums, YouTube, this kind of thing, and practice in a real business world. Which what I teach may different with others people, tools by tools, but I want you to really practical. After the class, maybe you can try to offer 3D modeling service, product design service if you got the concept, okay? And yeah, I spent few hours with my younger brothers and just graduate from high school. He's 19 years old and he can 3D modeling now. But it's very short amount of tutorial. So it's very easy. So if no one tell you how easy it is, I will going to show you in these coming days. I will announce the date in last end of this presentation. So what is this 3D modeling workshop about? Is a product design class for absolute beginner. If you are professional already, you may find that nothing you will learn in this class because you're a professional anyway. You can do it. But I will share the concept. So the first point, I will share the basic concept of 3D modeling. When you look at the thing, every time when you start to knowing a 3D model, you look at the stuff, you will realize everything looks differently after you learning the class. Because you start to break down part by part and understanding how to reverse engineer the parts. And this is adding your skill in problem solving either. And then after that, I will go into the Fusion 360, of course, step by step to doing some models and the real actual models. Honestly, I'm not prepared my class yet, so I may just pick up one of the thing, maybe on my table to teach you how to 3D model it or reverse engineer it. Then after you learning how to know it, then you can do Q&A. Let's say you got a question and you try to make something, you got ideas, you don't know how to do it. Let's answer Q&A that way. So then before you join the workshop, I need you to be prepared. What the thing you need to prepare is one computer, and with the mic and webcam. Normally laptop you will have the webcam already. If your computer do not have webcam, it's fine, but you need to make sure how to use Zoom. This is the next one. Zoom is an online conference software. You can meet online meeting held there. I will send you a link to join the meeting. It's a Zoom meeting, so you should be prepared before the time. You need to make sure your mic is working and your webcam is working, and you know how to use Zoom. If you don't know how, you can message me. I make another extra tutorial for how to register Zoom, install, and that will prepare that. So and then important thing is you need to install Fusion 360 in advance, which means before the class started, you had to already install it. Otherwise, everyone waiting for you or waiting for someone to. I'm not going to wait you to install. because download time is also a problem. Maybe your loading time is another issue. So you had to open up, make sure you are logged in, register. About how to do it, I already making videos on YouTube. This is the link I will put in the another broadcast message also, and also in this video description. Okay, so watch that if you don't know how, and make sure you go into the right link to download the Fusion 360, because there are different link. There some of them is based for business, some of them for hobbyists, depend on your need. Okay, so if you need to make sure your computer can run Fusion 360, you can look at this page. This is the Fusion 360 system requirement for the computer. You can see there is you can use what kind of spec on top. A little bit tacky, I don't want to talk about it. You can pause this page and watch it. Okay, and then yeah, finally, well, B3D 3D modeling workshop first intake will take on this Sunday, 26 April 2020, and the time is 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. 2 hours, maybe shorter or maybe longer, depend on the situation. And yeah, if you do not register yet, if this is the first time you're watching this video, you could still register in the link below. Now already have 30 people, and originally thinking of creating this workshop, I posted a post. I expected if more than 5 persons seriously want to join, I will host it. Then I will prepare everything material together, and I found that is okay. This is 6th time now, so it's time to do something to give back to the market. Okay, one last thing I want to keep repeat. This is totally absolute free tutorial. I will not sell you anything at the end. I will not tell you for that is another class, how much for the class worth. Yeah, I think you might already boring on those things. I don't know, I am boring because during this MCO, I think I watched more than 20 people of online marketing class, and they claim it's free. Then after a lot of testimony and showing how good they are done, and then give you few small tips which you can find everywhere. And then after that, at the end, they tell you the class worth maybe 20, 40, sometimes 30,000 or above, and you just now promotion this and that. Yeah, I'm not sure about you, but as a geek kind of people like me, I like to learn straightforward without any all of these things. You can tell me at first how much is a class, and I pay for it and learn, but not so many promotion and advertisement. I know this is the trend, they call funner, but I don't want to do it, and I want to prove to people that even it's free, you come to learn. If you pay hard, you pay to them, they will actually learn something that worth more than the ticket price. I don't want your money in this class. I may ask you to do some homework and share with me what is your result. So that make me happy. Okay, so that's it. See you on Sunday. If you got any problem, cannot come, you can just WhatsApp me. You will receive my broadcast message, and I might not reply one-to-one because if everyone asks me a lot of questions, I cannot prepare my class. So I will try and prepare all I know to compact in 2 hours or shorten, that helps you to create your new business at the time. Yeah, I'm talking about new business. Sorry, you can also make it for fun, like help make your drone parts, making your cosplay weapon props. It doesn't have to be a business. Okay, I'm not here to teach you how to earn money. I'm here to give you a skill that you can use it for anyway. See you Sunday, 26 April 2020, 10 a.m. And remember to be prepared. Install Zoom and Fusion 360. Bye.